IRealize Lean Startup Week is in the middle of the Global Entrepreneurship Week. This morning the Google site clinic and before a presentation of Lean Startup, crowded room. So what do you think about this day in Torino?
A very interesting day with a lot of amazing people. Different subjects involved. I have to say that the consortia topics, but also Google people and investors, business angels, but mostly young people, would-be entrepreneurs or startuppers.
One of the three speakers of the first panel. First of all, can you present yourself?
Of course. My name is Stefano Passatordi and I'm the co-founder of IRealize.
My startup is Blooming.
My name is Stefano Bernardi and I'm an associate at dPixel.
And a lot of suggestions and a lot of different experiences shared among us. So I think this is also the focus of the Global Entrepreneurship Week. It's to make people more aware about the entrepreneurial path, but also about all the steps that you have to perceive during the entrepreneurial path.
The Global Entrepreneurship Week is very important to meet people with different approaches to business and startup.
You're trying to create a new kind of community or people who want to grow up with their startups and make money and become successful.
So I think that the balance of the day it's really positive because a lot of different efforts have combined, and at the end we had a lot of practical issues.
Lean startup is a new kind of process to grow up with the startup, and it's based on two main concepts. One is use only open source code, open source platforms to keep low the burn rate. The second one is you have always to listen to your customers, the feedback about your customers, and you have just to every day work and iterate on your product and listen every day with your customers, trying to reach the product market fit.
I really think that the internet is the best way to communicate lean messages. This is why probably lean startups are the best fit for internet communication.
Lean startup is already like the only methodology that can be used in web startups. So understanding who your customer is and what your customer problems are, and getting out of the building, talking to them, figuring that out through your product, killing features that are unnecessary, and just having a minimum viable product to iterate on is basically the only approach that has been seen as a working one.
The morning session of IRealize Lean Startup Hack is closed with Google Site Clinic. What about the startup you received?
Actually, it's been an interesting experience because some of the startup knew a little bit more about our guidelines and webmaster stuff. Others not really, so it's been interesting because actually they got to know useful information that they can reuse at a later stage.